Hey y'all, welcome back to Oh No Adventures. So we can't work today, so we figured we would put the roof rack on that we got from Motobilt. But before we show you that, we will take you through the steps that it took to get it out of the box and get it ready for what we're doing today. Unless you ask specifically for them to paint or powder coat your parts prior to shipping for an additional cost, Motobilt sends it out in bare metal form, and it has a protective coating on it to keep it from rusting. So to clean all that off, you sprayed brake cleaner on it and wiped it all down before painting. Once everything was painted and dried, it was time to move it into the garage to start putting it together. So now it comes time to put it on top of the Gladiator. We tried to go over the hood, but the Jeep was just too tall and the rack was just a little too heavy for us, so we opted to go up on the sides. There's rubber pieces on the bottom of each of those brackets that go inside your drip rail, so it allowed us to set it on top of the roof and be able to slide it a little bit without damaging anything. We didn't realize it when we were putting it together, but 2 of the 6 brackets were a little bit skinnier than the other 4, and those were meant to go up front. We got lucky on the passenger side, but we had to adjust 2 on the driver's side to get it to seat down in the drip rails properly. Once we got them moved around, it set down where it was supposed to, so now it was time to go and tighten all the bolts. Now that was all good and tight, the next step was to install the outer brackets, which tighten it down and hold it on to your drip rail. And here's a finished product. If you want to learn about more of Motobilt's products, you can check out their website, motobilt.com. This is not a paid advertisement. We paid full price for the roof rack. We just wanted to show you guys what their products look like. They are made in the USA, right in Ozark, Alabama. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already.
Oh, no, no, no.